Video tutorials for A1c Go. Get prepared with all the kit components. Power on the analyzer. The initialization starts automatically. Enter the account and password to log in. Control text. Take out the cartridge from its pouch. Puncture the film above the R1 position of the cartridge. Fill the sampler with 5 microliter of control. Insert the film sampler into the cartridge's R1 position. Tap the RFID card on the analyzer. Check the assay and lot specific information. Select control level, input target value. Click to start the QC test. Insert the test cartridge. Control result would appear on the screen in about 5 minutes. Sample test. Take out the new cartridge. Puncture the film above the R1 position of the cartridge. Fill the sampler with 5 microliter of patient sample. Insert the film sampler into cartridge's R1 position. Input sample number and start test. Insert the cartridge. The door closed automatically. Result would appear on the screen in about 5 minutes.